This is how to change the ringtone on your Yealink T46 handset. Press the menu soft key. Using the arrows, scroll to Basic. Scroll to Option 4, Sound. Press OK. Then select Ringtones. You have two options. The option to change your individual ringtone will be Option 2. Press OK. You can then scroll through the list and pause on a ringtone to hear a sample. Once you are happy, select the OK and your ringtone is saved. You can change your ringtone at any time using those steps provided. And that is how to change your ringtone on the Yealink T46 handset.